Now the customer uses a 14-head scale on the left. On the right are two scales. For the holes below, there is only one 620. To the left is to use it on this side. To the right is to use this side. If the customer wants to buy a 520 now, it will be a little shorter than the 620. And 620 has an electrical box here that will block it. So at this time, we have to change the way it is placed. Then we need to move this 520 to the right to avoid the electrical box. And on a linear scale, we turn it 90 degrees and face out. Put the cutting port outside the platform for cutting. How to turn 90 degrees? Let's take a look. It turns out that the two scales are placed like this and aligned with this unloading port. Then we have to turn 90 degrees and put it like this. The material box is on the platform, and the unloading port is outside the platform. In this way, it can be matched. In this case, the two-line scale can be matched with the new 520. It's a little higher here. At that time, we will make this hopper higher and catch it. Then use the screw feeder for the replenishment machine. The screw feeder is fed like this. We'll lengthen this pole then. So that's the first solution. Then the customer needs to buy a new 520, and the new heightened screw feeder will solve the problem.